This is how the store should have done it. They should have just always had an opening, and you just refill. You just put the water in the aquapets when you get it home, and just put it on a shelf, and don't put it into like a bucket. This would have been a smarter idea if they were going to make a whole collectible series of these. Because right now they're just so disposable because they made them so cheap. But they're worth a lot if they were, if if they would have made them like this, where you could actually, renew them and stuff. That should be open enough. Let's take it to the bathroom. Dump the water out. Try to scrape it so it's not so gross, disgusting looking. Ew. This one might not get clean. We'll see. This one's just too dirty, I think. I wonder if there's any type of cleaning stuff that can, clean this out, like vinegar or something. Or peroxide or some shit. Because this is not visible at all. I think the problem is it's really eaten through the plastic more than anything. I just wish I had a better scrubber than this that would fit in between here. Look at how gross that is. That cord's probably in up. Is it? It is still recording. Can never be sure. That is disgusting. Oh. And it's still no better. I mean, he's floating in there. You can kind of see him. Maybe, let's see if I can scrape it with the water inside. Maybe that'll clean it better. At least the character is somewhat visible, whereas before it wasn't. Like I said, I think it can be clean. It just needs a cleaning solution put into it, probably. My mom would know how to do that. This was my second aquapet. So this one's kind of special. It's a cool looking one. This one actually looks like a boy one, not a girl one, because a lot of them look like they're for girls, but this one's a boy looking one. It's got the dark green and the dark blue character. It has more of an evil grin on it than a friendly, girly type grin. I don't know. Just trying to think of what else I can do. Here's the SpongeBob one that we just did. If I could probably scrape a toothbrush in there, I think it would work better. I might have to melt the hole bigger just so I can put a toothbrush in there and scrape it that way.